Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to level up your Power BI dashboards with powerful time intelligence, you're in the right place. Today I'm walking you through how to create a custom calendar table in Power BI using DAX. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build a flexible calendar table, an essential step for dynamic and accurate date-based reporting. So let's get right into it. First up, let's open Power BI on your computer. If you haven't already, launch Power BI Desktop and open up the report or dataset you want to work with. Now, Power BI is all about connecting and visualizing data, but for more advanced dashboards, it's crucial to have a calendar table, a dataset that lists every single date in the range you need. That's because so many calculations in Power BI, like year-to-date totals, comparisons, and custom periods, rely on a comprehensive calendar table to work smoothly. Once you have your file open, look over on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a few icons stacked vertically. Go ahead and click on the one that looks like a little grid with lines. This is called the model view. Clicking here changes your workspace, letting you focus on relationships and tables rather than your report visuals. Model view is super useful because it gives you a big picture view of all your data, and it's where you'll add your new calendar table. Now, with the model view open, look for the New Table button in the top ribbon, usually right under the Home tab. Click on this, and you'll see a formula bar appear at the top, inviting you to define a new table with DAX. Here, where you take your DAX code, maybe it's something you generated with ChatGPT, like a cool calendar or calendruto formula, and simply paste it right into the formula bar. This DAX statement will automatically build out a table with every date in your specified range. If you're new to this, it might feel a bit intimidating, but think of it as telling Power BI to manufacture a mini spreadsheet of dates for you, one that's always accurate, automatically updating as your data changes. If your DAX code includes extra columns like year, month, or weekday, great. That only adds flexibility for slicing and dicing your visuals later. Once you've pasted the code, be sure to press Enter. Now give Power BI a few moments to do its thing. It'll process your DAX and actually create the new calendar table in your data model. At this stage, you can spot your table in the model diagram or in the list of tables at the right. Give it a meaningful name, something like calendar or date table, so you can find it easily later. Finally, don't forget to save your Power BI file. Just hit that save icon or use Ctrl+S on your keyboard. This way, all your hard work creating the calendar table is safe and ready anytime you return. And that's honestly it. You now have a robust calendar table ready to power up your time-based analytics. So there you have it, a straightforward but powerful way to build a custom calendar table in Power BI using DAX. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want more tips on DAX or Power BI analysis, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.